Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an SS assignment Exp19 SS Chapter 3 Cap Brilton Madley Games 1.1 in its project description. Brilton Madley, a board game manufacturer, hired a new CEO. She asked for your assistance in providing summaries of data that took place before she started with the company to help her with her strategic planning. You will create queries to perform data analysis based on your meeting. You plan on creating 4 queries. One query will find orders with minor delay. Another query will summarize company revenue and cost by country. A third query will use to help to evaluate payment made by customer on their orders. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is Start Access Open the downloaded file name Exp19 Access Chapter 3 Cap Brilton Madley Games. Creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. I have already opened this file. That's our file. We will move to our second step. Create a query using the table query design. So we will go to the create table and here we will select the query design. And from the customer table include the first name, last name and phone. We will put customer table in the query. And first name, we will include first name, last name, and which is the other third one. And phone, we will select phone here. And from the orders table, so we will also add the orders table in the query design. What he is asking, include the field order ID, order date and ship date. Order ID, order date and shipped date. That's our query. Run the query and examine the record. We need to run the query. We'll put here and run the query. So our query is now working. What he is saying, save the query as a shipping efficiency. So we will copy this and run the make the save as a query as a shipping efficiency and press OK. That's our second step. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Cengage courses, Pearson courses, Pearson Plus courses, or Canvas courses, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you will scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video to get directly in my inbox. We will move to our third step. Our third step is add a calculated field name day to ship. So we will add this one to the query design. We will make it to the design view and here we will add a calculated field as a day to ship. To calculate the number of taken for the each order, hint the expression will include the order date and ship date field. The result will not contain the negative number. So we will calculate this one. We will press this one like that. We will select, we will go to the build home and then we will select the ship date minus order date and press OK. In this way we have put our formula as a ship date and the order date. Run the query and examine the result. So now we will run the query. We have got our day to ship here. You see our column day to ship. We are getting our days in here. We don't have any negative number. So this means our calculated field is correct. Calculated field name is also day to ship. So that's our save the query. Now save this one query. We need to save the query. That's our third step. Our fourth step is add criteria to limit the query result to include any order that took more than 30 days to ship. So we need to add a criteria in the day to ship field. This field we need to put a criteria. So we will go to the design view, and here in the criteria we will put greater than 30 days. So that's our criteria. So we will run this query. We have got, so you see we have got only the days and the orders which have the number of days more than 30. So our query is now working. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is add a quality field from the order table and a product name field from the product table. So we need to add two more table fields. What he is saying, we will go to the design view, and what we need to add, quantity field from order table. So we will select the quantity field from order table. We have added this one, and the product name field from product table. So we will add a product table to this one, and we will select the product name table in the our query. You see we have added two new field now. That's our two steps. Sort the query by ascending last name. So we will go to the last name. Where is the last name? Here is first name, that is last name. We will select the ascending order. So it's now sorted with ascending to the last name. That's our fifth step. We need to run this query now. Our query is working. We have added two new tables, quantity and product field, and our query is sorted according to last name. You see we have got A in the first row, A, then B, then B, then B, and then C, D, and starting from C, D. We will go to our sixth step. Add a caption day to ship to the day to ship field. So we will copy this. We will go to the design view, and we will find the day to ship field. That's our day to ship field. We will add the properties. We need to add enter a caption. This one, what is the caption? Day to ship. We have added a caption in this. Switch to the datasheet view to view the result and save and close the query. So what he is asking, close this one, save to, and go to the datasheet view, save this one query, and close the query, That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is create a query using query design. So we will go to the create, and we will select the query design. What he is saying, add the customers orders and product table. So we will select customers orders and product table in the query. So we will got our table here. That's our three table in our query. Add the country field from the customer table. So we need to add the country field from the customer table. That's our country field from the customer table. Set the field total row group by. So we'll go select the, we'll go to the, here we'll go to the property sheet, and we will select group by, and save the query as a revenue and cost by country. So we will go and save the query as a revenue and cost by country. That's our 7 step. We have total 16 steps of this assignment. I have performed 7 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me on my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you will just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.